Electricity, by its nature, is a flow of electric charge. Our bodies are excellent conductors of electricity because they contain about 60% water. This high water content allows the electricity to move freely, disrupting the normal functioning of our tissues, especially the heart, nervous system, and muscles. When an electric shock occurs, the electricity seeks the path of least resistance through our bodies. This path is usually the one that contains the most water, like our blood and our muscles. As the electricity passes through these tissues, it generates heat. This heat can cause serious burns, both on the skin and internally. These burns may not be immediately apparent, as they can occur deep within the body, damaging vital organs. But the heat is not the only problem. The electricity also interferes with the electrical signals that our cells use to communicate. For example, our heart beats and our muscles contract because of these signals. When an electric shock disrupts these signals, it can cause the heart to beat irregularly or stop altogether, leading to cardiac arrest. Similarly, it can cause muscles to contract violently, leading to injuries or even bone fractures. Furthermore, the electricity can directly damage the cells in our tissues. It can alter the cell membranes, causing cells to die. This cell death can lead to tissue necrosis, which is the death of a large area of tissue. Now let's take a moment to summarize the main points about how electric shocks damage human tissue. Firstly, electricity generates heat as it passes through our bodies, causing burns both externally and internally. Secondly, it interferes with the electrical signals that our cells use to communicate, leading to potentially life-threatening disruptions in the functioning of our heart and muscles. Thirdly, it can directly damage the cells in our tissues, leading to cell death and tissue necrosis. Understanding these effects of electric shocks on our bodies underscores the importance of electrical safety, especially for those who work with electricity on a regular basis. It's not just a simple jolt, it's a potentially life-threatening event.